Hello friends, welcome to our channel A to Z Guiding Guru. Today we are discussing how to prepare Corona Kadha. Kadha is Ayurvedic word, you can say. It's a solution to boost immunity and help to fight against flu, cold and fever, such kind of things. So here we are taking some good ingredient that decided by Ayurveda. So here I am just showing you all these ingredient. So first one is clove. Here you can see that, then black pepper, then cinnamon, then dry ginger, then carom seed, then cumin seed, and there is a turmeric powder. So these all ingredients are easily available. You can prepare this solution at your home, and for that we need waters. So here I am discussing procedure how to prepare this solution, or you can say it's a card. Just I am showing you. Okay, it's a 4 pieces of clove, then 4 pieces of black pepper. Okay, then small piece of cinnamon, then small piece of dry ginger, then carom seed in small quantity, similarly cumin seed in small quantity, and small amount of turmeric powder. Crush this mixture just for 1 or 2 minutes. And then take this in one vessel. For one person I am taking 1 glass of water. So according to number of person you need to change your quantity and water. Boil this mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. So here the solution whatever we prepared, we will going to boil this solution only for 10 to 15 minutes on high flame of gas. So we take a glass of quantity for one person. Okay, after boiling it almost become half. Thank you. Now after 10 to 15 minute boiling, our Corona Kadha, or you can say immunity booster solution is ready. We just need to filter it. We take, earlier we took almost 1 glass of water, but now you can see only half glass of solution we prepare.